I've heard a million stories about these contractor nightmares. I did not want to become part of one of those.
It was so devastating looking. It was heartbreaking, actually.
It looked like a scene from the movie Twister.
Yeah.
I mean, there were trees down everywhere, people out everywhere, chainsaws running everywhere. It was like the whole community just came together and, like, all right, we got to clean this up. We got to rebuild, like, now. I'm Todd Nidek.
And I'm Jill Nidek, and we are standing in front of our beautiful, newly renovated home. We got married in February of 23.
And 4 months after that, a tornado came through Point Place area on June 15th.
And in such a short time, so much damage throughout the whole community, from here clear across the river in the Point Place area, just tons and tons of damage.
We didn't know what to do. We had broken windows. We had holes in all of our siding. Our cars looked like the side of a golf ball.
A lot of phone calls to the insurance companies, auto, home, and everyone's trying to get some help and some answers. When it came to taking the steps to get the house repaired, we had many conversations, a lot of foot traffic from different contractors, different companies coming to offer estimates and give prices. We had a personal recommendation from someone that Todd knew for many years.
He told us all the right things. We're going to get you this, we're going to get you that, we're going to get you squared away, your house is going to look better than ever, it'll be the best looking house in the neighborhood. And I was always kind of skeptical. I've heard a million stories about these contractor nightmares, and I did not want to become part of one of those.
Windows were purchased and a contract was presented for windows, and that's when the delay game started. He pretty much ghosted us for months, came away with so much money from us, which ended up being about $30,000. We didn't hear from him or get any return calls until after the story ran on the news. But then a few days later, I received an email from the reporter at 13 ABC, just short and sweet, just kind of saying that, hey, that someone reached out about the story from Integrity Home Exteriors. They wanted to talk to you about some ways in which they might be able to help. Got the information from the email. It had a phone number, so I reached out and left a voicemail the first time and just said, I'm returning this contact from the news station. And from there, I spoke with Austin and had this wonderful conversation, and all happened so quickly at that point. Each person I spoke to was so incredibly kind and helpful and swift, and I think that day Daniel was at the house looking around to kind of see what we were dealing with, and conversations and meetings and phone calls and emails started happening, and next thing you knew, we were sitting in our kitchen with Caleb and Daniel. They have been so kind. Every person we've worked with, every person I've spoken to on the phone, met in person, every crew member that we have dealt with has been incredible.
Getting to work with you guys has been an absolute dream. Given the nightmare that we lived through, take that aside from what you guys have offered us. Just working with you guys on a day-to-day has just been absolutely, hats off, amazing. The communication has been spot on, and what amazed me is they were all proud to be part of this project. They weren't just workers that were here just doing another job. They were thanking us for being here to do this. I mean, I'm like, what are you thanking us for? We're thanking you guys, and they're thanking us to be a part of this amazing story and journey. It's just, Integrity's been amazing, absolutely amazing.
And so I would strongly recommend Integrity for any job that anyone is looking for, because they come with the highest praise that I could offer as a customer. I would recommend they be your first call.
Yeah, do yourselves a favor, no need to shop around. You will not be disappointed.